Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the buggy in Astroneer. This is especially useful for traveling longer distances, but there's a downside that it doesn't have any inventory slots, except these two for something like the RTG to power it. So to begin, here you can get the buggy from a mission inside of the starting platform, which is the Master of Unboxing. You'll need to unlock an Exo Research 8 unit, which are these things right here. This one especially, you need to connect it to a power and wait for it until it reaches the full recharged state. And once it's open, this should open up and give you the ability to complete the mission. There are also other types of these aids, whereas you'll need to require a steady output of some kind of power, or you need to collect some materials to put it inside of it. And once you're back at your base, you want to go to this platform and pick out this mission. This is going to unlock you the schematic for the buggy, and also it is going to give you one buggy. Now, for the crafting, if you don't want to do this mission or you want to make more buggies, you want to go to the medium printer. And with the schematic unlocked, you'll need one compound, which can be found on every planet on the surface mostly, and one aluminum, which is found as this laterite aluminum material, which you need to smelt inside of the smelting furnace. You'll get the buggy, and once you craft it, you'll see you cannot ride it. For this, you'll need a rover seat, which can be unlocked inside of the small printer tab, inside of the research tab, and scrolling down until you see the rover seat. This is going to be crafted inside of the small printer using two compounds. And once you do this, you want to just attach the rover seat to this buggy just like this. Also, you'll need to power it with some kind of high power. The best one, I think, is the Duty RTG, which can be only gathered from completing missions. So this is pretty much all how to get the buggy in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.